But first, it's hazy and hazardous outside. The Allegheny County Health Department has officially declared a code maroon for hazardous air quality due to the wildfire smoke descending down from Canada into our region. And it's not just here. The state DEP also issuing statewide code purple air quality alerts for tomorrow as well. Let's get straight to Ray Petlin with more on these smoky conditions. Ray, just how dangerous are we talking about here?
Maroon, code maroon, which we have, is the highest on the scale. So you're going to want to limit your exposure to the air outside. It's almost like smoking cigarettes. 24 hours in air like this would be like smoking a half a pack of cigarettes. That's the same thing you're doing to your lungs. Visibilities are very low. And this isn't fog. This is just smoke that's coming in from the north. And you'll see the highest concentrations right now by our latest air quality update shows that you have these maroons right now, essentially along Route 422, dipping down into Pittsburgh. The purple surrounding that goes down almost I-70, and then orange. And when you start getting into the orange, that's unhealthy. Purple is very unhealthy. And then you get into maroon, and that is what we consider to be a hazardous air quality. That's even for healthy people, not just people with medical conditions. That's hazardous for everybody. And typically we'd be looking at a sunshiny day, but with those winds coming out of Canada directly towards us, it's pumping in that smoke. And we're not even into the thickest of the smoke just yet. That is going to descend on the area tonight and into tomorrow. You'll see those purple areas. That is the most dense smoke, and that will be around tomorrow. And then tomorrow night into Saturday, we'll start to see those winds making a little bit of a shift. And that'll give us some improvement on Saturday from the smoke, but we are going to see some thunderstorms, some of which could be strong on Saturday. So we'll time those in coming up.
Obviously, this is due to the smoke coming from Canada. PEMA, Pennsylvania Emergency Management Authority, has been in touch with local counties to make sure they have all the resources they need.
Governor Josh Shapiro telling us this afternoon state officials are monitoring the poor air quality across the Commonwealth. Now, the wall of wildfire smoke has engulfed much of western Pennsylvania. On the left side of your screen, you're looking at Cranberry, and that's what it looked like earlier this afternoon. On the right is Pittsburgh, as seen from Millvale, that haze enveloping the entire skyline there. Now, KDKA's Jessica Guay joins us now with how you can take steps to stay healthy with this dangerously poor air. Jessica.
Hey, Chris, it's pretty shocking when you step outside. It's smoky, it smells strange, and it's really hard to breathe, really for everyone right now. If you take a look behind me, up there, that's Mount Washington, and you can barely see it. All that haze you see is actually fine particles in the air, those ultra tiny particles from the wildfires carried in the atmosphere to our area. And I want you to take a look at this. This is the purple air map here on my phone, and all of those maroon dots you're seeing, that's where we're at hazardous levels, and clearly that's in many parts of southwestern Pennsylvania right now. When the air quality index is in the 300s, 400s and higher, public health officials say you should take steps to protect yourself and your family. That's especially true for children, the elderly, and anyone with conditions like asthma or COPD that can affect their breathing. Definitely do not let kids play outside, and limit how much time you spend outdoors at all. Don't do anything strenuous like exercising or yard work. Keep your windows closed and set your air conditioner to recirculate so it's not pulling in air from outside. And if you do have to go outside, a mask can help filter out those particles in the air. We talked to people in Beaver County today who say they are already feeling the effects.
Right now it's really bad.
Wow.
I got to get home and get my medicine. It's bad. I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like this.
There's smoke all the way down the valley, man. I mean, everywhere you look, haze in front of you, haze in back of you, everywhere, man.
And I heard Ray bringing this up as well. Public health researchers have found every 2 hours in the very unhealthy purple air quality is about the same as smoking one cigarette. So being exposed to this air for 24 hours is like smoking a half a pack of cigarettes or more. Live downtown, Jessica Guay, KDKA News.
Just thanks. The smoke and air quality concerns led the city of Pittsburgh to close their city pools earlier today. The city says they have not yet made a decision on whether the pools will be open or closed tomorrow. And Allegheny County also shutting down pools for the rest of the day. They are expecting to open them tomorrow as scheduled, but will announce if there are any changes. The county also says its movies in the park at Settlers Cabin Park has been canceled.